She has worked in our industry and has years of experience with design agencies and marketing firms that she just got us. She's done a few projects with us, specifically a team culture recalibration, sort of a reset with the global brand design team. And we had been going through a fair amount of growing pains. We'd had some pretty significant growth in about a 1 year period. And we were just finding challenges with working together and figuring out how to work together again. So she came in and did this wonderful offsite with us. She has also worked we were encountering some challenges with the briefs we were receiving from our marketing partners, and we knew about her Killer Briefs workshop, and it was an interesting, exercise, because you don't want to highlight the fact that you're getting trash briefs, but we were getting trash briefs. It was quite eye-opening for people. I think they checked a lot of boxes in the past on, this is something I have to do and it meets the need. I'm getting it on paper. That should be enough. But what Lynette taught us is that, this brief is actually the sales tool for the creative team, and that we are trying to, as a brief writer, we really should be trying to make them fall in love with the work and want to work on it so badly that it, is just like they gravitate toward it and say, I want to solve this, I want to figure this out, this is super exciting. She's even gone beyond, the workshop piece with us. She did this whole feng shui of our workspace, which that was never asked for part of what we were, working with her on. The workshops that we've done with Lynette have definitely been very worthwhile for the company to invest in their employees this way and to give them the time and brain space away from the office to kind of open their mind up a little bit to, new ways, new ideas, and brainstorm ways we can get better and improve things. I value her genuineness, her immediate rapport with our team members. Like, she just builds rapport almost in an instant. There's a definite charisma about her. I mean, I instantly was like, I like her. She is wicked smart, and just an amazing presenter. She really, I think, genuinely wants people to improve and get better, and wants to see, teams, reach their best. If you're looking to improve your team's way of working and how they interact, and just daily, getting through it, I would definitely engage with her.